Welcome to Clear Investing Guide. If you're new to the world of investing, you're in the right place. Today we're covering the basics of the stock market, what it is, why it matters, and how you can get started. Let's dive in. The stock market is a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of ownership in that company. Companies list their shares on exchanges like the NYSE or NASDAQ to raise money, and investors trade these shares to profit from the company's success. Why should you invest in the stock market? The answer is simple: growth. Over the long term, the market has delivered average annual returns of 7 to 10%, outpacing inflation. It's also a great way to earn passive income through dividends. For instance, let's say you invested $1,000 in an S&P 500 index fund 10 years ago. Today it could be worth over $3,000, a 200% increase. The stock market operates on supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. When more people sell, the price goes down. News, earnings, and global events all impact this supply and demand. Let's say a company announces record profits. This attracts more buyers, increasing demand and driving up the stock price. Getting started in the stock market is easier than you think. Here's what you need. 1. A brokerage account. Platforms like Fidelity, Robinhood, or Interactive Brokers allow you to buy and sell stocks. 2. An investment goal. Are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or building wealth? Your goal guides your strategy. 3. Research skills. Start with companies you already know and trust. Use demo accounts to practice investing before using real money. Before you start, here are 3 tips to set yourself up for success. 1. Start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock, spread it across different companies. 3. Be patient. The stock market rewards patience. Short-term fluctuations are normal, but long-term growth can be significant. Imagine planting seeds in a garden. Some grow quickly, others take time, but with care, your garden flourishes. Now that you know the basics, you're ready to take the first step in your investing journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Clear Investing Guide for more tips, like this video, and let us know in the comments. What's your first investment goal? This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.